How to install Fifth Third mobile banking app. So just tap Get and then double click or use a Touch ID. Mobile banking a Fifth Third better. Manage money on the move. Take on your to-dos. Tap Snap Deposit. Always on alerts. Go for your, so a lot of like features here. Securely access your accounts. Deposit checks. View recent transactions, pay bill, transfer money in 5 ATMs and branches. See over 6 months of account history and account details. Plus, you can view total pending credit card transactions, 24 months of statements, deposit checks, transfer money and pay bills, send money with Zelle, person-to-person payments. Fifth Third instant alerts, help you save location and hours, security. So then, yeah, just open it up and then allow while using the app, and then that's basically how you start it. Then if you want, you can sign up from here, register for online banking. So then you can just log in if you have an account already, or if you're first, so then you can just proceed with the app. But the point is that's like you need to, if you already have an account with this bank, if you're an existing user, you just need to use your custom user ID and your associated online banking password. First-time users, use your Fifth Third debit, credit, prepaid, or ATM card numbers the first time you log in. Then you can use password just to enter your account. So just proceed from here. There is always like support, which you can reach out from here. You can also find a branch or open an account from this screen.